Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So just for you guys, I thought maybe I'd take this apart and see what's inside of this hydraulic jack. Um, I mean, for a car, for a part, for something that that has issues uh, with the mechanism as far as getting stuck. The rest of it looks like it's pretty well made. I will, it looks like it's pretty well made. Um, as you guys can see, there's like a little rubber balloon here, um, and obviously it jacks up the air, and this is quite thick, and it holds the air and it keeps it from going down. Obviously, there's two motors. I mean, there's a lot of, if you guys have one of these things where you guys can't use, where it breaks down on you, if you guys need a motor, it's a huge motor right here. It's another huge motor right here, a couple of switches, on and off switches, um, and this air compressor thingy right here. um, good stuff that you guys could actually use, for extra stuff. You guys are like electronically or mechanically savvy, build your own thing kind of deal. um, I you know there's always parts to use on these things. And what I always end up doing is I always end up taking these parts off, but I never ever have the time to actually make things from these parts. That's the unfortunate thing is, I always feel like it's a waste to throw the whole entire thing away just because some mechanism doesn't work. And it's a shame that the mechanism doesn't work. I probably take this off the on and off switch. I could use that every once in a while. I need an on and off switch or something. As far as the motor is concerned, I haven't found use for any of these motors. I mean, they're really good motors. I mean, if I was mechanically inclined to make things, you know, just this is like a chockload of parts that I could actually take out and use. Like this part right here, I might be able to use, make a DIY 12 volt car jack just from this part right here. If this motor was on here, it might be like a lot better, a lot, but you could probably still do like a 3-ton jack off of this mechanism alone, I think, if you wanted to. But all in all, um, I couldn't say that the material they used were crappy materials. I couldn't say it's crappy material that they used, because this right here, um, you guys can see, it's took this whole entire thing off. This right here, seemed to be, quality stuff, except it breaks down, and whatever the problem is that caused it not to compress, you know, that's really the major flaw in this. So, but hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm probably gonna take a couple of these wires, because I always need wires for something, right? Cut off a couple of these wires. I have so many motors from all the jacks that I've had previously, but this looks like it's a pretty good motor, pretty big motor. I might just take it, not needing it. I might just take it just to, I don't know. I don't know why I would be keeping this stuff. I wish that I could do a lot more with this stuff, but it is what it is, guys. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please comment. Please, all right, guys. Take care.